In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do calculations in Smartsheet, a powerful tool for managing projects and workflows efficiently. Smartsheet allows you to perform a variety of calculations, from the basic ones to more complex functions, seamlessly integrating calculations into your project management tasks. Let's delve into how you can write basic formulas to enhance your spreadsheets in Smartsheet. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the cell where you wish to see your result. Here, start by typing an equal sign. This tells Smartsheet that you're entering a formula. The equal sign is crucial. It signals the beginning of your calculation, serving as the foundation for any formula you create, ensuring Smartsheet interprets your input as a calculation rather than ordinary text. Once you've entered the equal sign, proceed with your calculation. For instance, you might want to add two cells together. If so, your formula might look something like this, equals A1 plus B1. After typing your formula, simply press Enter. This will evaluate the formula and display the result directly in the cell, enabling you to quickly see the outcome of your calculation. Smartsheet supports typical arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which are represented by the plus, minus, asterisk, and forward slash symbols, respectively. You can also make use of parentheses to structure complex calculations, ensuring clarity and accuracy in your formulas. Parentheses can be particularly helpful when you need to prioritize certain parts of your calculation over others, following the usual order of operations. For those seeking greater complexity, Smartsheet offers a range of built-in functions to perform more sophisticated logic. Functions like sum allow you to add multiple values or an entire range of cells in one go. The if function is excellent for creating conditional logic, enabling your sheet to decide between different values based on criteria you define. Average finds the mean of a set of values, giving you insight into trends and data patterns. COUNTIFs can efficiently count the number of cells that meet multiple criteria, which is especially useful for filtering and data analysis tasks. These functions considerably extend the capability of your calculations, providing the flexibility needed to tackle both common and advanced project management needs. Harnessing these calculation features in Smartsheet not only boosts your productivity, but also adds significant dynamic capability to your spreadsheets, making them more than just static data holders. Whether you're managing simple budget plans or elaborate project timelines, understanding and utilizing formulas can transform your approach, offering clarity, insight, and precision. So don't hesitate to explore these features and integrate them into your workflow for optimal results. Happy Smartsheet calculating!